Lots coming up in and around the city of Pattaya today and the coming week. Want to keep the kids busy this weekend as the Holiday Inn Hotel opens their Little Big Hoteliers workshop. This Saturday, the F&B team invites the little ones to their cake decorating class. That's from 3 till 4 p.m. at the Kids Club, and that's on the 4th floor of the Bay Tower. And for adults, as the Havana Bar and Terrazzo at the Holiday Inn gets a complete transformation, good news for diners as the wonderful dishes from Terrazzo are now available at the East Coast Kitchen, that's on the 6th floor of the Executive Tower, and also available at the Rooftop Bar on level 25, offering a dining experience with a view overlooking the bay. Treat yourself this Sunday to the Off the Grill Sunday Lunch Buffet. That's at the Village Square, located at the Andaz Pattaya in Na Jomtien. Enjoy ocean-fresh seafood, fin de clare oysters, and a selection of all-you-can-eat barbecue meats featuring Australian beef, New Zealand lamb chops, and Sand Lobster. So that's every Sunday afternoon from 12 noon till 3 p.m, and it's priced at just 1,990 baht plus per person. Or if you fancy a good old traditional Sunday roast, be sure to check out the all-you-can-eat Sunday carvery over at the Outback Sports Bar and Restaurant on Soi Siam Country Club, including soups, your choice of meats with all the trimmings, and dessert for just 495 baht. Over at Dicey Riley's on 2nd Road, one for you pizza lovers, as every Friday they have the buy one get one free special. Now available between 1 and 6 p.m, and a heads up for you wine lovers to book early as tickets are selling out fast for their Australian wine tasting. That's coming up on Friday, the 26th of January, and held in celebration of Australia Day. Enjoy a selection of wines paired with an all-you-can-eat buffet from 6:30 until 9 p.m. for just 1,350 baht net per person. At the Movenpick Siam Hotel in Na Jomtien, every Saturday sees the Fisherman Barbecue Buffet, fresh and imported seafood, and a variety of international and Thai menus. Eat all you can from 6 till 10 p.m. at the Twist restaurant. And if you fancy something extra special, every Sunday to Friday, they're offering 3-course dinners in your own candle-lit private cabana on the beachfront for just 4,900 baht per couple. This price includes a 3-course dinner for 2, a welcome drink, a bottle of wine, and a bouquet of flowers. For more information on these events or to find out what's happening in and around the city ahead of time, let's discover Pattaya together over on our website, alwayspattaya.com.